Today, I'm going to show you how to film and edit transitions. Let's get right into it. First, we're starting off with the spinning head transition. So, as you see, turn your head one way, just like this. And now that we've known that we're going to turn our head this way first, put a marker in the direction or notice on the video on which way you go for the direction. Then for the second part, we are going to start over here and stop right back to the middle. Or if you'd like it to be more of a spinning head, you would go like this and go all the way over. And then you would do another recording where you start here and you stop in the middle. That way it looks like your head is spinning. Let me show you how to edit this. I like to use CapCut to edit my videos. So first things first, I'm going to select the videos and that's going to upload it for me. And what we're going to do to edit is I'm going to watch and see as soon as my head starts to turn. That's when we're going to start the video because within the first 2 seconds, you want movement to keep viewers there with you. So now that we've done that, we're going to watch and see where my head turns, and we're going to stop it right before it's completely turned. And now we go to the second part of the video, and we're going to edit where my head is going to start to turn. And we're going to clip it right there and then delete that. And then we're going to clip it on the other side right before it stops again. And now we're going to do the same thing to the next video. So what this is going to do is this is going to give us like a rotating head effect. Let's take a look. So we need to do a little bit more editing here and clip off the end so it doesn't look so jagged. Let's see. Much better. Much better. Let's do a little bit more tweaking here. I think I can get it a little bit sharper. And I think we should add in another head spin too. So we'll just re-upload that video and then we'll edit it just the same. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll and we're going to wait until we see the head is about to move. We're going to stop it there. And then we're going to cut and delete that. And then we're going to wait until it's almost stopped at the other side and cut it there. Perfection. Let's see how that looks. That's perfection. A few tips and tricks before you go is if you're filming on an app, make sure to stay filming on that app. When you film on TikTok, it like flips the image. So if you're going to do transitions on TikTok, make sure to film them all on the same app. Or if you film it on your phone, I would do them all on your phone, etc. You get the point. Also make sure that when you're doing for timing, an easy way to match it up. So if you do it in sections, you can see how long the first section is and then just cut into the next video that long. It kind of helps you line it up when you're doing like lip syncing videos and stuff like that. So if you need any tips on lip syncing videos and how to like kind of do that with the transition, I can totally do that. And that is how to do a spinning head transition. Let me know in the comments what transitions you would like a tutorial for next. Thank you so much for watching to this point. Have a great day. Bye.